Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best lunchbox from Herschel Supply Company, the Pop Quiz Lunchbox Little in the vibrant Check Yourself raspberry color. This lunchbox combines style, sustainability, and functionality, making it a fantastic choice for anyone on the go. First off, the material of this lunchbox is impressive. It's crafted from Ecosystem 600D fabric, made entirely from recycled post-consumer water bottles. This not only makes it durable but also an environmentally conscious choice. You can feel good about using a product that supports sustainability while maintaining a premium look and feel. The design is sleek and practical. It features a compact rectangular shape with a 5-liter capacity, perfect for carrying your snacks, sandwiches, and small meals. Despite its size, it doesn't compromise on storage. The main compartment is insulated and lined with an easy wipe interior, which means cleaning up after lunch is a breeze. No more worrying about spills or stains ruining your lunchbox. Security and convenience are also key aspects. The lunchbox has zippered closures that keep everything safely inside, preventing any accidental openings. There's also a front storage sleeve with a waterproof zipper, giving you extra space for small items like napkins or utensils and keeping them protected from moisture. Carrying this lunchbox is comfortable thanks to the smooth webbing top handle. It's designed for easy transport, whether you're heading to work, school, or a picnic. The lightweight nature of the Pop Quiz Lunchbox Little means it won't weigh you down, and the sturdy handle feels comfortable in your hand. Beyond its functional features, the Check Yourself raspberry color and geometric cartoon-themed design add a fun, playful vibe that stands out. It's not just a lunchbox, but a statement accessory that reflects a bit of personality and style. Overall, the Herschel Supply Co. Pop Quiz Lunchbox Little offers a great balance of eco-friendly materials, thoughtful design, and practical features. Whether you're packing a quick snack or a full meal, this lunchbox keeps your food fresh, secure, and easy to carry. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a lunchbox that's both stylish and sustainable, the Herschel Pop Quiz Lunchbox Little might just be the perfect fit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and insights. See you in the next video.